Bonjour, Nabiso Bandeko Balandi, chaîne English Club TV, English en anglais pour le club, mais en français pour English Club TV. Chaîne Nabino Oyo, ils ont fait Sabino et Sengomingi parce que aux alaki en anglais 0, les autres déjà n'ont comme en anglais 100. Ils agitoko. Continuez toujours la même idéologie, na nengi makamango zotambola parce que anglais ndé makambo, mikolo na monde. Alors, token en leçon 8 na biso tour oyo to mona parce que tour elekito la ki seneni ba se présentaka. Hello, this is my friend. He is to tang na bino this is one is alinini. To he is one is alinini. I am one is alinini. Alors wana ezali auto bengi en anglais verb to be. Verb to be. Ezali to be. Alors, verbe être. Verbe être. To be. To be. De verbe be. Na ba livre musuba komaka de verbe be. Mais to kotanga verbe to be wana na présent. Na présent na to koma de verbe to be simple present. Simple present. Verbe to be ezali verbe ya état. En anglais babe ngo stative verb. Verbe ya état, eza verbe ya action ti. Pour ça mi nazali. I am eza état, eza action ti. Alors, to komona yango na positive sentences, ba mizozo balobaka affirmative form, mais dans certains livres on parle de positive sentences. Et tout le monde appelle negative sentences. Auto bengi negative ou negative form. Na grammaire anglaise. Alors, sans plus tarder, au moment où on a une phrase na biso, verbe to be et en couleur et en rouge. Alors, to banina positive sentences. Na gotanga pe oando mona ningezo koma. I am a teacher. I am. You are. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Alors, to bandeli lisusu, I am. You are. He is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Mais bakolo munoko, ba Nigérian, ba Américain, ba Anglais, ba lobarate, I am. Ezandetiyo. Nazali kolia. Olobaka nazali kolia te olobaka naolia. Lokola yo olobaka lingana na mbango. Ndenge pe ba Américain olobaka anglais na bango na mbango. I am baba I am. Okay, I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. Ok. Maintenant, tu peux associer dans quelque chose pour ça la positive sentence. Et ça la phrase. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Nazali enseignant. Nazali molak ici. You are a student. Ozali moyekoli. He is ill. Azali maladi. Bozo se rappelé tant tout le monde qui va salutation. Tout le monde qui I'm sick. I'm sick est un peu général, mais ils apprécient tout le monde. I'm ill. He is ill. Ce qui te le dit, il est là parce que bon ça là qui commentaire, moto comment qui na commentaire que I'm sick et bon I'm ill et on a expliqué le lot. I'm sick et ça général, I'm ill osa vraiment maladie. She is Sandra. It is a book. We are teachers. Toza balakisi. You are students. Boza bayekoli. They are politicians. Baza ba politicien. Wana ezalaki positive sentences ou bien otobengi affirmative form. Siko yotokomona negative form. Na forme négative tolobaga I am not. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. You are not. They are not. Tubandeli, I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. We are not. You are not. They are not. Alors, toko sangisango sikona ba mo auto cheki na forme affirmative. I am not a teacher. Soko za professeur toko I am not a teacher. Mais bande kona biso aux États-Unis, I am not a teacher. Pona bango te wana ba komi sango ou bien de. I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. Nazamula ki cité. You are not a student. You are not a student. Ozali moye kolite. He is not ill. He is not ill. Azali maladite. She is not Sandra. Azali Sandra te. She is not Sandra. It is not a book. It is not a book. Azali livre te. We are not teachers. We are not teachers. Tozabala kisite. You are not students. You are not students. Bozali ba étudiante ba yekolite. They are not politicians. They are not politicians. Omoni na pluriel kuna tolobaki I am a teacher. We are teachers. Tobaki si S. We are not teachers. S pour ezali pluriel. Alors totangi nyonso tokobandela. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is ill. She is Sandra. We are teachers. You are students. They are politicians. I am not a teacher. You are not a student. He is not ill. She is not Sandra. It is not a book. We are not teachers. You are not politicians. Alors, tu as une expression, some expressions with be. L'expression tu peux utiliser le verbe to be. To be happy. To be kind. To be kind. To be happy. To be happy. To be kind. To be hungry. To be hungry. To be angry. Angry. To be angry. To be cold. To be cold. Okay? To be hot. 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 I am hot. I am hot. I am cold. Ndeti mikolo aux États-Unis bazana na hiver, winter. Say, I am cold. To be strong. I am strong. I am strong like John Cena. To be tall. Look. I am tall. I am tall like Mutombori Kembe. Good. To be smart. To be smart. Intelligent. To be optimistic. Ngai nandimike Congo ekobonga. I am optimistic. I am optimistic. Congo will be good. To be optimistic. Être optimiste. To be pessimistic. Always, toujours, non. Nganabo inandimike Thomas. Pessimistic. To be pretty. So you must see as a pretty, as a boy. To be pretty. To be handsome. Mobali, handsome, beau. To be handsome. Alors, okoloba tege I to be. Okoloba, I am happy. I am kind. I am hungry. I am angry. I am cold. I am hot. I am strong. I am tall. I am smart. I am optimistic. I am pessimistic. I am pretty. I am handsome. Merci pour l'attention à bino, chers internautes. Oezala qui abino enseignant Platini Bihata na lisa pour English Club TV. Ils ont dit leçon sur verbe to be. Kobo sanate ko aimer. Cheerio. See you tomorrow.
Oeza anglais moko bazo la tene na ndenga lingala pour comprendre facilement. Bele bozo déplacer bozo ki na mboka ba paya oeza na monoko anglais bozo na et compréhension na likambo ba ko biso ya pete o comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko anglais a pete ça simple langue ko banga ngote bokota na club isa English TV bango ba laksa ka penda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o ka penda how are you tisuka